Hi, this is my project for switching systems in multisim. This device takes pin code from 10 push buttons and shows it on LCD, and if pin code is correct, is the same as password that's stored in circuit, then it turns on the light or an external device. My password is 1765. So as you see, the bulb lighted up. I don't have a reset button, so we just have to turn on and turn off. We put anything else here, nothing will happen. Once at the point of time, we'll obviously get the password. It's not that hard. So what my device have? My device has first is a driver for LCD with LCD using negative logic. So we have 10 inputs for push buttons on the left. Click clock is trigger for any push button clicked. Then 4 inputs for last 4 bits in LCD. It should be viewed as output because it's input to ground. V is voltage, G is ground. Here we have representation of. Here we represent each push button with a number stored in 4 bits. As I said before, we're grounding bits that should be 0 in button we clicked. Here we have another hierarchical block, have same inputs as on previous one. We have 4 output is a binary representation of a digit. That is not used in this project, and 0n, 1n and 2n is just address, is the position on our LCD. Our LCD have 8 positions. Inside main we have encoder with flip-flop. We're using flip-flops here because push buttons once release, the information is lost, not with these flip-flops. Once push button released, we store the last digit in these 4 bits. Then we have in main counter, it takes amount of clicks, and then we use it as address. Next we have algorithm, have the same input as the main output, and for outputs in algorithm we have password that's stored as a circuit. I'm using transistor to higher voltage, to make voltage higher. It's dropping after these D flip-flops. Use 2 sets of 8 D flip-flops on the left. So we have our password is 16-bit. Hold on a second. Then we have here two blocks for comparing. First one for first two digits, second one for third and fourth digit. It should really be in one block, but because the paper is not infinite, it's pretty small. So it takes 4-bit comparative, takes 4 bits from password, 4 bits from LCD. We have 4 V's, one for each digit. To enable it, we use NOR and AND gate. This one represents position 001, that's first position. When we're in position 001, it's enables with transistor, and our output is high voltage if it's the same as if the digit is the same as stored in password. Then we have, what else we have here? Nothing really. So the very last block is decision. It takes, because for outputs from previous system only one of them could be 1 because we're changing address all the time and we don't keep track of it. We kind of track it here. That's if first digit is the same as first digit in password, we set 1 to this flip-flop, and when 4 of them is set at 1, our AND gate is enabled and our bulb is enabled. In initial idea, I was going to create the device that would set password, reset password, and the external device would be servo that would turn on or turn off the valve for gas in car, motorcycle, something like that. Another application I thought could be with the servo is locker for refrigerator, for example, or anything else. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching.